up with 2 aluminum coils. 1, 2. This is gonna be. It's going to a manufacturing plant where they assemble soda cans, beer cans, all kinds of stuff. The thing about this load, it weighs about 31,000 pounds. These loads are kind of interesting because sometimes they weigh 46, 47,000, sometimes they weigh 30 to 35. Like these aluminum ones are not that heavy. So this is going from Indiana to New York. I'm over here at the New York, Pennsylvania border, so I should be dropping this off pretty soon.